Today we break down AI agents inside Jira, what changes for Scrum Masters and delivery managers. Stay with me, because this is not a tool demo. This is a practical operating model for project leaders. You will get a simple way to use AI for notes, backlog clarity, risks, stakeholder updates, and governance without losing accountability. Quick question for you. Where do project managers lose the most time? Meetings, status reports, backlog cleanup, or follow-ups? The answer is usually context switching. You attend a meeting, write notes, chase actions, update Jira, prepare status, and then explain the same story again. Punchline: AI should not make delivery decisions for you. It should prepare the information so your decision is faster and cleaner. Use this loop. Capture the raw input, draft useful outputs, validate with human judgment, then communicate clearly to the right audience. Capture meeting notes, chat decisions, blocker comments, customer feedback, change requests, and unclear backlog items in one trusted workspace. After a planning call, ask AI to list decisions, action items, owners, dates, dependencies, and questions that still need confirmation. Now pause. Should AI directly create tasks and assign owners without your review? Think about what could go wrong. No, AI can suggest tasks, but you approve the owner, date, priority, and wording. Otherwise, the team receives noise instead of clarity. Draft status updates, risk summaries, RAID entries, acceptance criteria, decision logs, and stakeholder messages from the captured input. Backlog refinement: ask, which stories are not testable, which acceptance criteria are missing, and which dependencies could block delivery. A strong AI-assisted acceptance criteria review should still end with a product owner and team conversation. The tool improves preparation, not ownership. Before a sprint, release, or steering meeting, ask AI to challenge assumptions, integration points, privacy risks, vendor risks, and decision delays. Another question: what is the biggest AI risk in project management? Privacy, hallucination, overtrust, or weak governance? Hold that answer. My answer: blind trust. Privacy and hallucination are serious, but blind trust is what lets a wrong output become a project commitment. Validation means you check every date, owner, dependency, risk rating, scope statement, and customer promise before it leaves your desk. If your team uses Jira or any delivery tool, do not leave insight inside an AI chat. Convert reviewed insight into the real work system. Copilot-style tools work best when calendars, notes, documents, and decisions are already organized. Bad input creates confident confusion. A modern PMO should not only collect red, amber, green status, it should surface decisions, constraints, risk trends, and recovery options. Scrum Masters can use AI to spot recurring blockers, meeting overload, unclear ownership, and flow issues, but facilitation stays human. Delivery managers can use AI to prepare escalation packs: what happened, impact, options, recommendation, owner, and next checkpoint. In safe or large programs, define where AI may draft, where it may summarize, and where human approval is mandatory. PMP thinking still matters because AI needs boundaries: scope, risk, change control, stakeholders, procurement, quality, and ethics. If you start tomorrow, what should you automate first? Status reports, meeting actions, risk discovery, or backlog review? Start where review is easiest and value is visible. For most PMs, that means meeting actions or weekly status drafting. For 7 days, use AI on one workflow only. Compare time saved, missed follow-ups, quality of updates, and team feedback. Do not measure hype. Measure fewer missed actions, cleaner stories, faster updates, better risk conversations, and less admin fatigue. Anti-pattern 1. Copying AI output directly to stakeholders. That is how wrong dates, wrong owners, and wrong commitments spread. Anti-pattern 2. Generating more dashboards without better decisions. More reporting is not the same as better control. Anti-pattern 3. Using AI to avoid difficult conversations. Delivery still needs alignment, negotiation, and leadership courage. Use this checklist: trusted input, clear prompt, human review, data protection, tool of record update, and outcome measurement. Tell me in the comments, which workflow should I explain next? Jira cleanup, PMO reporting, Copilot prompts, risk management, or PMP study planning? Final recap. AI prepares the work. The project manager makes the judgment. The team owns delivery, and governance protects the outcome. If this was useful, like the video and subscribe for practical PM, Agile, AI, PMP, Jira, and Copilot videos. Do not forget to hit the bell icon for notifications when I upload a new video.